In this project, we will use illumination intensity measured by photovaristor to control a buzzer. First, let's do the Y connection according to the connection diagram. Connect negative of the photovaristor to ground, positive to VCC, S to A0. Connect negative of the buzzer to ground, positive to VCC, S to DA. Finally, connect this board to computer with a USB cable. After Y connection is done, open Arduino IDE, click Tools. For board, select Arduino Uno. For port, select COM11. Then click Arduino block. Select Open, click Desktop. Select Projects and A from our supporting files. And finally, you can see the graphical programming. Click Upload to Arduino and you can see the program is uploaded. After it is done, open serial monitor. When blocking line of the photovaristor, you can see the value decreases and hear the buzzer rings slighter. When the light is not bright, you can see the value increases and hear the buzzer rings louder. Test is now complete. Thank you.